Hello everyone, this is Shraddha and today I will explain the enzyme in this lecture. And in this lecture I will cover the types of enzyme, why essential enzyme for our body, food item contains enzyme, function of enzyme, where enzyme produce, property of enzyme, examples of enzyme, and one enzyme substrate complex activity. Okay, so we started from the enzyme. What is enzyme? Enzyme is a biological catalyst, means some basically enzyme is a protein that help speed up metabolism. Okay, means chemical reaction in our body, means all the chemical reaction like growth, blood circulation, healing, disease, breathing, digestion, reproduction, and circulation, all are included in the metabolism. So enzyme are protein that help speed up metabolism. And the biological catalyst, biological means it is anything which is produced from the living things, this is called biological. And catalyst means which speed up the metabolism. Okay, means a substance that have the ability to increase the chemical reaction, that is called catalyst. So enzyme is a biological catalyst. And basically enzyme is a protein, and protein, what is protein? Protein is the polymer of amino acid. So basically enzyme is a collection of the amino acid. Enzyme have amino acids. Okay, now types of enzyme, means enzyme there are two types of enzyme. Means all living beings have naturally produced enzyme, and second one is the enzyme which is manufactured from the product or food, means the food product which we inhale, that have also enzymes. So there are two types of enzyme. Okay, so we have two types of enzyme. And why enzyme is essential for our body? So enzyme is a speed up our metabolism, that's why enzyme is very essential for our body. Enzyme is a catalyst. So there is a two type of metabolism in functioning in our body. First is a catabolic reaction, second is a anabolic reaction. So you understand about the cathode and anode. So catabolic reaction, in that involve the breakdown the bigger molecule into smaller molecules like oxidation and hydrolysis, means and anabolic is a involves synthesis of molecule, usually energy required. Okay, means small molecule collect and make a big molecule, that is called anabolic reaction. Okay, so this is like this: catabolic reaction, big molecule break into a smaller molecule; anabolic reaction, smaller molecule collect and make a big molecule. So for example, sucrose with hydrolysis of sucrose, means sucrose plus H2O with the presence of sucrase enzyme, so that is breakdown and make a glucose, fructose and ATP. And when we go through the anabolic reaction, so just opposite of this reaction, means glucose plus fructose plus ATP, and with the enzyme of sucrase they are done sucrose and H2O. Okay, so this is a catabolic reaction and this is anabolic reaction. And this reaction release the ATP, means this reaction release energy, but this reaction want ATP, this reaction want energy. Okay, so this is the two type of reaction which have made in our body. And now function. So in the third point, function of enzyme. So enzyme catalyzed all kind of chemical reaction that are involved in growth, blood circulation, healing, breathing, digestion, so and other many all the biological activities. Okay, and food contain natural digestive enzyme like papaya, pineapple, mangoes, banana, etc. Adding any of food you in your diet, so you may promote your digestion and better gut health. And enzyme mostly produce means last one, where is enzyme produced? So mostly produced from the pancreas, stomach and small intestine. So this is briefly, enzyme is a protein and protein is a polymer of the amino acid. Now we move to the properties of enzyme. So first is a catalytic power, means enzyme have a ability to enhance the rate of reaction under the optimal temperature and pH when compared to the uncatalyzed level. Okay, and second one is the enzyme is made up with a globular protein. This is the globular protein. Okay, there are two types of protein in our body, globular protein and fibrous protein. So enzyme made up with the globular protein. Next one is a specificity. Next property is a specificity, means enzyme is specific for particular substance, means enzyme selectively recognize proper substance over other molecule to catalyze a specific biochemical reaction. Means there are three type of recognize, means stereo specificity, reaction specificity and substrate specificity. And now next one is a I explain the properties of enzyme. So enzyme is made up with a globular protein, and being protein they are coded with the DNA and they are catalyzed and they remain unchanged after chemical reaction. So this is the example. Okay, I will explain later. And next one is a they are highly specific energy for the chemical reaction. So now example of the enzymes. So there are many enzymes like amylase, lactase, diase, sucrase, maltase, invertase, pepsin, trypsin. Okay, so these all are the example of the enzyme. And now this is enzyme plus when it attach with the substrate, so it's make a enzyme substrate complex, and the enzyme substrate complex further break down and make a product, and enzyme will unchanged after the procedure. So this is the enzyme, this is the active site, this is allosteric site, and this is globular protein. Now substrate, this is substrate. When they both attached, so make a enzyme substrate complex, and enzyme substrate complex then further break down with the enzyme and product. This is the product and this is the enzyme. So this is all about the enzyme. And I will explain, I will give you a brief. So enzyme is a biological catalyst. Okay, always remember that. And there are two types of enzyme. One they are formed in our body, and second one when we inhale the food, the food have also some enzymes. Then there are two types of reaction in our metabolism reaction. There are two types, catabolic reaction and anabolic reaction. Then food, some papaya, pineapple have enzyme function, so they are a catalyst, so they can increase the reaction. And where enzyme produced, pancreas and small intestine. This is enzyme, protein, polymer. And then properties, enzyme, and this is it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.